Just thinking about the star Reggae Girlz and their decision to boycott the national team in the Gold Cup qualifiers. The girls just came off their finest moment, getting to the final 16 of the World Cup. And here comes their next assignment, the qualification for the inaugural Women's CONCACAF Gold Cup. The girls are ranked at number 37th in the world, 4th in CONCACAF. That means, at full strength, they likely would have gone deep into the tournament, maybe the semifinals or even the final. Now with these big tournaments, the deeper you go, the more prize money they would get. Plus, another high-profile platform to showcase their talent. And the Reggae Girlz gave up all of that for the 20% of the portion of the World Cup prize money to be shared between 30 or 40 of them. And because they wanted to know who the new coach would be, and they want to fly business class every time and blah, 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 it now add up. It is not adding up. The Reggae Girlz are forgetting. They are not turning their backs and embarrassing the JFF. They have turned their backs and are embarrassing Jamaica.